Hello everyone, this is Nikita. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. This video is about how can we kickstart our career in PEGA. So in this video, I would also talk about myself and how I started my career in PEGA, and also we would understand how can you start your career in PEGA and what you should know before you do it. I'm a software engineer by profession. I have done two certification from PEGA Systems. First one is a Certified System Architect, and the second one is Certified Senior System Architect. And I'm working with Morgan Stanley now. Coming to what is PEGA. So PEGA is a low-code platform. So it is basically created by PEGA Systems, and its headquartered is in the USA. And coming to the Indian offices, it's located in Hyderabad and Bangalore. It's been around for more than 30 years and proved its mettle. This is a low-code platform which is built in Java, and it helps business to focus more on creating business logics and instead of maintaining the infrastructure and code and building everything from scratch, it helps you to focus more on creating logics, creating designs in itself. And it's also built for change. So any change, whenever you have to do any change, it requires a lot of other things. But in PEGA, the change is very fast and it's dynamic. So coming to the major capability, it is mainly used for case management. So majorly in this industry, in the whole industry, this software is 70% used for case management stuff, and then you have other aspects like workflow management, then chatbots and virtual assistant. Also, it has AI and machine learning libraries embedded into itself. So that's also a major add-on. And then there are different open source technologies which it has taken it to itself, like Elasticsearch, Apache Kafka, Kibana, which are really helpful in overall reach of the software, I would say. And it is also efficient with distributed systems, and it is capable of working with several kind of RDBMS and also NoSQL databases. So it's basically a very powerful software. Coming to why did I choose PEGA? So honestly, I did not choose this technology. It was bestowed upon me by my first company. I joined Infosys and I started my career from there. I was trained in this particular platform and I did my certification also. So that's how my learning with PEGA started. Coming to why should you learn PEGA? It is basically a hotshot technology in the market. Major companies, major financial companies, healthcare companies, all are using this software either for their customer facing application or for their in-house application. So it has a big market out there. So if you start your career in PEGA, then you're sure you will land up in a good job. So this is the reason you should choose this software. Coming to what are the prerequisites to learn PEGA? So you should have a good OOPS concept, right? Object-oriented programming concepts. You should have a good problem solving and logical thinking capability. Then obviously Java basic is required because this particular software is built on Java. So you should have a good understanding of the Java concepts, and then any experience or expertise on the Java is really an add-on. Then you should have a good understanding of any SQL databases and how it works. Most importantly, practicing this particular software, where creating your own application, reusing different aspects of this particular software helps you to get perfect. Coming to starting your PEGA journey, first of all, what you have to do is you have to sign up to the PEGA Academy, whose link I will provide in the description box. You can start by learning the course of PEGA System Architect there. The basics, the basics of PEGA software would be covered in that particular course. And if you are in an organization which is a partner or a client of PEGA Systems, then you can directly download the PEGA Personal Edition from their website. And if you are not from any organization who is a partner or a client, then what you can do is you can always sign up from your personal email address, and you can use the trial version of PEGA software for 30 days. Okay, so that is something which you can do. After you have completed all of this, you have to start creating your application in the PEGA software. You should use different rules, different aspects of the PEGA technology in your application until you get perfect on how each of the thing works, right? In the course you would be getting a hands-on, right? So you should apply all those different concepts in your application. That would help you to crack the exam, as well as understanding the software itself. So after you have learned, have gone through the course, you have understood everything about this particular technology, then you can register for the Certified System Architect exam, whose link also I would provide. Please go there, and then you can register for the exam. Now coming to the certification, so there are a lot of certification available like CSA, CSSA, and LSA. But if you have someone who has just started learning the platform, then you should first go for CSA exam, which is called PCSA exam nowadays, and the cost for that is around 15,000 INR. So that's how you can start your first step towards certification in PEGA platform. So I think that's all about this video. Please do comment in the comment box if you have specific problems, question regarding PEGA career path. I would surely answer each one of them. And also do comment if you want to have any specific video about any topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you till then. Bye bye.